Imagine looking into the night sky and realizing every star could be hiding something. Something intelligent. Something watching. For decades, scientists have asked one question: if the universe is so huge, then where is everybody? Billions of stars should mean billions of civilizations. Yet the universe remains strangely quiet. No messages, no visitors. And maybe that's not an accident. One idea offers a terrifying answer. It's called the dark forest theory. Imagine the universe as a giant forest at night. Every civilization is a hunter. Nobody knows who else is hiding among the trees. And nobody knows their intentions. Are they friendly? Or are they dangerous? In a place this vast, guessing wrong could be fatal. So everyone stays silent. At first, that sounds paranoid. Why assume the worst about alien civilizations? Maybe they're peaceful explorers. Maybe they want to cooperate. But the dark forest theory starts with a simple problem. You can never truly know what's happening inside another civilization. A friendly civilization today could become hostile tomorrow, and across the universe, information travels painfully slowly. By the time you learn the truth, it may already be too late. Imagine discovering another civilization somewhere among the stars. You don't know who they are. You don't know what they believe. And you definitely don't know what they might become in the future. But they have the exact same problem. They're wondering the same things about you. This creates something called the chain of suspicion. You suspect them because they might be dangerous. And they suspect you for exactly the same reason. Neither side wants a war. But neither side can guarantee peace the longer they wait. The more powerful each civilization becomes, a small threat today could become an unstoppable force centuries later. And that's where the logic becomes frightening. If survival is your highest priority, then waiting may be the most dangerous choice of all. If the dark forest theory is true, then the silence of the universe may not be a mystery at all. It may be a warning. Every civilization could be hiding, listening, and hoping not to be noticed. But the question is, who will speak first? In the dark forest, hesitation can be fatal. A hunter who reveals their position becomes vulnerable. Every light attracts attention. And attention can be dangerous. So what happens when a civilization announces itself? The signal spreads across the galaxy. Most civilizations may ignore it. Some may never receive it. But it only takes one listener with bad intentions. One hunter hearing a careless sound in the forest. And once your location is known, there is no taking it back. The universe doesn't have a delete button. Every message leaves a trail. And every trail can be followed. In the dark forest, survival comes before curiosity, before friendship, before discovery. Because extinct civilizations make no decisions at all. To survive, the safest strategy is simple. Stay quiet. Stay hidden. If this theory is true, the night sky may not be empty at all. It may be crowded beyond imagination. Entire civilizations could be watching from the shadows. Listening, waiting, carefully avoiding attention. Maybe they've survived for millions of years by following one rule. Never reveal your position, never make a sound. And never trust the darkness around you. But if that's true, then there's an uncomfortable question: what about us? For over a century, humanity has been making noise. We've been broadcasting signals into space, announcing our presence. We've launched probes beyond our solar system. We've searched the skies for anyone who might answer. Assuming contact would be a good thing. But according to the dark forest theory, that assumption could be dangerously wrong. Imagine shouting into a forest without knowing what lives there. At first, nothing happens. The silence feels reassuring. Maybe nobody heard you, maybe nobody is out there. But hidden deep in the darkness, something may have heard every word. And now it knows exactly where to look. The frightening part isn't being noticed. The frightening part is not knowing who noticed. If the dark forest theory is correct, then the greatest danger in the universe may not be war, invasion, or destruction. It may be simply being seen. Right now, as you look up at the stars, There could be countless civilizations. And if civilizations have survived for millions of years, their technology may be beyond anything we can imagine. To them, humanity might seem primitive, like a campfire visible from across a dark valley. The theory suggests that truly advanced civilizations wouldn't negotiate first. They might not send warnings. They might not send messages. Because communication creates risk. In the dark forest, revealing yourself is often the biggest mistake. And survival favors those who stay invisible. If the dark forest theory is correct, fear shapes the galaxy. Not hatred, not greed. Just uncertainty. Every civilization fears becoming the prey. Because nobody knows who the hunters are. Or how many are out there. The result is a silent universe, a galaxy full of life. That pretends to be empty. Suddenly, the silence of space feels different. Not peaceful, not lonely, but cautious. Every civilization holding its breath, waiting for someone else to make the first mistake. Maybe that's why we've heard nothing. Not because nobody is there, but because everyone is hiding. And nobody wants to be seen, of course. The dark forest theory could be completely wrong. We still have no proof that hidden cosmic hunters exist. No civilization has ever been discovered. No alien signal has ever been confirmed. For now, the theory remains an idea. But it's an idea that changes how we see the stars. Every point of light becomes a possibility. A friend, a stranger, or something far beyond our understanding. And that's what makes the dark forest theory so unsettling. It doesn't ask whether aliens exist. It asks why nobody is speaking. Maybe the universe is full of civilizations. Maybe every star hides a story. But every story remains locked behind silence. Somewhere in the darkness, others may be listening, wondering the exact same thing we are. And perhaps, at this very moment, both sides are staying silent, waiting to see who speaks first. Maybe the universe isn't silent because it's empty. Maybe it's silent because everyone is listening. Right now, beneath every distant star, another civilization could be staring into the darkness, asking the same question we are.